Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Dodge Charger SXT all-wheel drive. Stock number B8497PA. 47,000 miles on this local trade. Clean auto check history report. Granite Pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Charger is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, dual automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6-liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8497PA to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.